guys, Joseph Ulmer here, and if you've seen my review on the Husqvarna 324L and then my year-and-a-half review on it, you can hear it back there behind me running. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to do an oil change on this, and you're going to probably look at me and go, well, why are you doing an oil change on a weed eater? Well, this is a 4-stroke weed eater, so it does have crankcase oil, and you use regular gas in it instead of having to use mixed gas. That's one of the things I do love about this machine. And I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is to do an oil change on it. I've got it back here warming up right now, and it's been warming up for a couple minutes, but I just want to get the oil warm enough and well enough circulated. Now, it doesn't have an hour meter on it, so there's no way to tell exactly how many hours you put on it unless you log them all, but I check the oil every time I go to use it, and if the oil starts getting dirty, if it starts doesn't look quite like clean oil anymore, time for an oil change. It doesn't take much oil. I mean, we're talking a couple ounces of oil, so it doesn't hurt just to keep it changed and use a good quality oil in it, and this thing should last you quite a long time. So while this finishes warming up, do me a favor, pause the video, click the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, hit the notification bell. That way you get post notifications for all my new videos when I post them. And as always, please don't forget to rate it when it's over with. Share this with your friends, please. Share these videos. I don't ask for anybody to join Patreon or anything else to support my channel. All I ask is that you share the videos, you rate them, you subscribe, and just watch the videos. That's all I ask. It doesn't cost you guys anything, and you get the same content everybody else does. So please help me out a little bit here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and shut this off and show you how easy it is to change the oil. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a suitable container to drain the oil into. Now, I use these 5-gallon buckets for my waste oil, and that way when they get full I can take them and turn them in for recycling. And I do know some people that have waste oil furnaces that they burn old used engine oil in. So you just remove the dipstick tube back here in the back, or excuse me, remove the dipstick right back there, and then we're going to take the weed eater and right over top of we're just going to pour out all that old oil right in the container. It's nice and warm. Let it sit here and drain. And like I said, it doesn't take much. Oop. Looks like I got a chunk of something coming out here. Okay, that's nothing to worry about. So I'm just going to sit that there and let it finish draining. Now what came out, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, if it'll focus on the tip of my finger, but all that is just a little bit of silicone sealant that I guess I used to seal up the crankcase. So nothing to worry about. It was just down in there and I wanted to see what it was. Alrighty, I think we've got every last little bit that's going to come out. Just going to wipe that off. And then I'm going to sit it down here. I have been using the Shell Rotella T4. It's a 1540, it's a diesel oil, it's a heavy duty oil, but it works really well in high RPM gas engines like this, high load gas engines. And oh man, I guess we ought to get a funnel. If I have one. I think they're all up in one. Filled more than I've actually gotten in the damn weed eater. God jug does not pour with. Okay. Now we're I got a little overfull, so we're just gonna dribble a little bit out. And you hold it flat. You take your dipstick. There really is no full range on this dipstick. Hopefully this will show up for you guys. But when I check it, I look for it down in the dipstick hole. I don't know if you can see the oil in there or not. Holding it level. Level it out here. You can see the oil coming up in the bottom of the dipstick tube. That's right about where you want it. Once you have it full, we're just going to put our dipstick right back in. Tighten it up. And weed eater's ready to go. Now all I have to do is get my mess cleaned up and go to work. So guys, the other thing that you do want to do whenever you change the oil is right over here on this side on the top there's two clips that if you kind of push in, squeeze those clips in, you can release the air cleaner cover and just check, make sure your air cleaner is still clean. This one is still nice and clean. It's just a foam element, so not a big deal to rinse it out and re-oil it. But just check on it, make sure it's clean. Your weed eater will run better and it'll last longer, and it is important that it gets good clean air. Then it just snaps back on just like that. She's all set and ready to go again. So, like I said guys, please do me a favor. Rate the video. Questions, put them down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends. I appreciate you watching guys. We'll see you on the next one.